If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Your likes will help me grow on YouTube and further encourage me to make more such videos from which you all can benefit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be on how I saved my dying jade plant. I had received an almost dead jade plant as a gift from an online store on an offer. All the leaves had fallen off, the soil was clayey and soaking wet, and the only hope was few green stalks which hadn't browned yet. You can see the snaps of the plant over here. There are practically no leaves on the stems. I feel they should have given more attention to the plant than the presentation. I removed the plant from its pot and let the soil dry in partial shade for 2 days on a sheet of newspaper, as you can see here. This is the plant after being removed from the pot. I also cleared up the pot, removing the remnants of the soil. I removed the dry leaves and the dry parts of the roots and washed the plant thoroughly. I also used a sterilized pruning shear to cut down the rotten parts of the roots. Here you can see the plant before washing and trimming. You can see the green parts and the leaves. And this is the plant after washing and trimming using a sterilized pruning shear. I also washed and sterilized the pot with a disinfectant and sun-dried it. You can see the pot here before washing. You can see the drainage holes are almost clogged and there is absolutely no substrate to aid the drainage. So I washed and cleaned it thoroughly. There are no specks of soil left. After that, I prepared my own potting soil using cocoa peat, sand and cow dung manure in a 2:1:1 ratio. So you can see here I have used cocoa peat, sand and cow dung manure. This is the potting mix. These are broken terracotta clay pot shards. This is the plant. And this is the washed pot. Now I'm lining the bottom of the pot with the terracotta broken pieces. This will help in drainage. Let me zoom in a bit so that you can see clearly. Next, I'll mix the 3 ingredients to create my own potting soil for my jade plant. So as you can see here, I'm removing the pot and the plant and putting them aside, and I'm mixing all the 3 ingredients very thoroughly. This is how the potting mix should look like. Now I'll fill the pot with this potting mix, leaving about ½ inch gap on the surface. I kept the plant on a sunny window side and watered it sparingly once a week. Too much of water is not good for jade. As you can see, this is my window side where I've placed my jade plant. After 3 weeks, new sets of leaves began to emerge on the stems, as you can see here. If I zoom in, you'll find new leaves on the stems, on the nodes actually. I hope you can see them. This is the outcome after another week of keeping the jade on a sunny window side. Now the leaves are growing bigger, as you can see here. This is how I resurrected my jade plant. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment below.